Hello friends. Uh, so let's start with what is static variable in Java. So let's see what is static variable in Java. So Java, as you all know, is a programming language which is used to write programs that can empowered by websites, and you can make Android apps too. So you should be learning Java in order to create programs in Android, or you want to make website. So let's see what is static variable. So as you all know, what is variable? Variable is whose value can change. Okay. So static means, how we define static variable? We make use of word static and then data type like integer, then a variable name. And as you all know, we need to initialize it with any value in order to create any variable in Java. So we have declared it as 2 static int my underscore count equal to 2. Okay, here I have created one method, public void increment, and here I have increased its value by 1. Okay, so now let's make us main method, public static void main, and let's call this method. Okay, so we have created an instance of demo underscore static class. So instance, as you all know, that we create an object of a class. We have created two objects. So what a static variable or normal variable should behave? So once we call the object dot method name, okay, so we can call this method by creating instance of class variables. Okay, so once we call it, we create an object of one object of this class, and then what we are doing, we are printing its value. So what value it should come? Obj underscore 1 dot my underscore count, it should be increasing by 1 only, so value should come 3. Here value should come 3. Here value should come 3. Okay, but what will happen, since in the static variable, a variable is shared among the instance or between the objects, so same variable is shared among the objects, so it will increase the value by 1, because again the increment method we are calling. So here value is 3, and now here value is become 4. So here what we will be getting 4, and in the same way, since it has been shared among the objects, that variable is shared among the objects, so it will also become 4. Okay, so let's run the program. I am using IntelliJ IDE to run Java programs. You can also use the same if you want. Let's run it. Okay, so you can see it is coming with a value 4. So on the first call, it has become from 2 to 3, and on the second call of the method, since the value here which was shared between the objects, so 3 becomes here 4. Okay, so we are printing a value of obj1 also. Variable becomes 4, so in the first object also it becomes 4, and in the second object it becomes 4. The static variable, why it is used? We are using it to share the common value between the instances of the class. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll get back to you soon with the new programs. Thank you.